Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use TikTok filters. To use TikTok filters, we have two basic methods for you. The first method is to launch the TikTok app and tap the plus icon, then hold on the record button, the white circle, and the bottom center to create a new video. Select a filter. On the right side of the screen, tap Filters, a small icon with the three circles. Browse through the categories like Portrait, Landscape, or Food to find the filter you like. Now, tap the filter to apply it. Next method, adding effects while editing. Create a new video or upload one from your gallery. Once the video is recorded or uploaded, tap the filters icon on the editing screen on the right hand panel. Choose a filter and adjust its intensity if needed. Save and post. Tap the empty screen, then tap Next to add captions or hashtags and post your video. Tips for using TikTok filters. Experiment with different filters to enhance your video's mood or theme. Combine filters with effects for a more dynamic look. Use trending filters to attract more views and engagement. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.